friends, ETPC here with my 10-year-old son. I'm going to be doing an install of the quick set bathroom handle. Alright, go ahead and open it up there. Okay, he's struggling. Okay. You broke it? Okay, how else can you open that? Here. Here, hold this. Alright. Okay. It's a little harder than going right. Okay. Okay, so what you want to do first is you want to take out the old hardware. So grab this screwdriver, get the electric one. Okay, we're going to pull out the slam plate first. Go ahead and put it in reversal, is that way. Get it straight before you, okay. Gotta push, okay. Oh, that's a long screw there. Okay, nicely done. Get it lined up straight. Does that look straight to you? Does that look straight to you? Does that look straight to you?
No.
Get it straight then. Okay. 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 Pop that bad boy off of there. Put the screwdriver down. Put the screwdriver down. Pull it off of there. Okay. Get the other screwdriver. Put it in between there. There you go. Pop it. A little bit of tape, paint holding that on there. Good job. Okay. Put that aside. Now we're going to remove our old one here. Okay, so yeah, go ahead and I'll hold the door for you. Push a little hard once you get in there so you can unscrew it. It's almost too easy. Okay, now tilt that one down. Tilt the handle down. Tilt the handle down. Tilt the handle down. Tilt the handle down.
This?
The door handle, bud. There we go. That's a little easier there. Okay. There we go. Oh, right, that came off nicely. Okay, pull the other side out. There we go. Put that down. Alright, what else do you think we need to remove? There we go. Let's have at it then. Line it up straight. It's a lot easier with a screwdriver with the electric one. For sure. Probably going to beat your brother if you can get it in there. Alright. Okay. There we go. Pop that out of there. Alright, we're rolling. We're at 4 minutes already. There we go. Okay. Open that little white box. We're rolling. Okay. Get those. I'm putting these old ones over on this one. Those are some awful long screws. Maybe we'll have to reuse the screws. I don't know. Let's see, they should be alright. Okay, here he is trying to open the box. Trying to open the bag. His brother had a problem with this too. Okay, go ahead and dump those out. Okay, we're going to put the faceplate on first. Yeah. Grab your screws first. The two short, or there's 4 short ones. You want the short ones. There you go. You think it goes that way? There we go. Get them started with your hands. Righty tighty, other way, other way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay, probably use. Okay, push that one. Push, push, push. Okay, you want to make sure it's straight. And go slow. Slow. Okay. Other one. Go slow. I don't want you tightening, over tightening with this, so just get it to the end, and then you'll tighten with the hand one. Alright. Use the other one. I don't know if this is stripped or not, so. Okay. Try to push hard and then turn. So it doesn't pop out like that. Okay, good job. Probably, let me see. Good enough. Okay. Now we're going to install our. Let's see. Where's the other part? There's no other. Oh, okay. I scooped up the old pieces. Okay, we're gonna get that one. Where do you think that one's gonna go? Okay. Okay, good. Do you think that's the correct way? No. No, why not? You sure? You want to go that way? Yeah. Okay, look at the angle. Yeah. 2 little screws. Okay, grab the electric. Don't get them all the way tight yet. Screw it in most of the way. Okay. Popping like that because it's not straight. Just popping like that because it's not straight. Popping like that because it's not straight. If you're not holding it straight, it's going to skip like that. That tells you you're not holding it straight. Alright, get the other one screwed in the rest of the way. Push hard from behind and turn. There we go. And the other one. Good. Alright, now we're going to grab our handles, pull them apart. Which one's the lock going to go on? Outside or inside?
This is outside.
Okay, which way do you think the handle's going to face? Think the handle's going to go that way?
Yeah.
Ah, like that. Okay, slide that through there. Okay, something you can do to make it go through easier. Push that in, then slide it through. Alright, that was easier, huh? Okay. Alright, why is it tilting like that though? No, we don't need that. Why is it up in the air like that? Alright, pull it out. Okay, so you put it in like this. Okay, that's why it's tilted. It's got to go in so the straight like this. So try to do it again. Put it in through straight. Make sure that, there we go. You got to make sure those go through the hole. So you want to hold it on that side. I'll hold it. Now, which way do you think that one goes? You think it goes like that?
No.
Okay. Should fit right on over there. There's a little round part, and then it goes in there, inside. See that? Okay, slides right on there. Okay, get this hole in first. Get that hole in first. 2 screws left. Don't worry about that other screw right now. Just get this one screwed in. Get the screwdriver. This one's going to take a while. No, get the, yeah. Remember, get it in straight though. Just gently, you're going slow. Is that straight? Look at the angle. Okay. Alright. Okay, stop. See how this is, see where the old one was?
Yeah.
I'm going to try and get it up there so it's covering that on the same side. Okay. Get the other screwdriver and just hand tighten that. Does that look straight to you? Look how you're holding it. Does that look straight?
No.
I mean, you're screwing it. The handle is going like this instead of straight. It's got to go straight, bud.
So do I unscrew it?
Huh?
So do I unscrew it?
No. Keep screwing it. It's fine. You're just holding. You're trying to screw in a screw by holding it up like this. It's the screwdriver's got to go straight. So it's not straight. Look at the angle. This is straight. Okay. You got to push though. Alright, see how you can screw it when you actually do it straight? Okay, good job. Alright, so now, how are we going to get that other one? Remember what we did last time? What did we do? We pushed the handle down. Okay? Oh look, it's staying for you. Okay, does that look straight?
No.
No, that's not straight. Back it out. You got to put it in straight. Why don't you put the screwdriver down. Okay, now get it in straight. Should screw in righty-tighty, nice and gently. Should go in. Is that going in?
Yeah.
You sure? Is it or no?
Yeah.
It is?
As much as I can do it.
Okay, try it with the screwdriver though. It should go in relatively easy. If not, you're probably stripping it. I'm holding the handle, so just make sure you get that screwdriver going in straight. Does that look straight?
I'm not putting it in the hole.
Okay, good. You get it in there. Good job. Alright, enough. I didn't want you scratching up the thing there. And we're on the home stretch here. Look at this. You're going to beat your brother's time by like the tight.
Yeah. Try it on.
Okay, make sure it's straight. If it's not straight, it's not going to go in. Okay, try the other side again. Sometimes if you tighten one thing, it loosens up, the other one gets loose a little bit. Alright, that looks good. See if it shuts or not. Look at that. Okay, and opens. Nicely done. See if the door locks. Locks. And unlock. Yep. Okay, you want to try to unlock it? It's key. Where's the key? There's the key. That's not the key. That's the key. Alright. Let's see if we can unlock it here with the key. Ready?
Left or right?
You probably don't have it in there, remember? It's got to go in straight. Is that in straight? Does that look straight?
Yeah.
Okay, turn it.
Which way?
Left is unlock. Okay, does that look straight to you? Look how you can just look at it. It's going like this. It's going in like this. Straight in there. You're going up like this. Is that straight? It's going up like this. It's got to go straight in. And find the thing.
Unlock?
Nope. Watch. Watch and observe. So we're going to go straight in. Okay, and then we're going to turn a little bit to try to find the there we go. So right there, see, oh, I slipped off. It was straight. So straight in, turn it a little bit, there we go. And unlock, and lock. Okay, so it's got to be straight in, lock, unlock. Because you were going in like that. See how that's not straight though, right? It's got to go straight in. And we turn it a little bit to find our happy spot. There we go, like that, right there. You can feel it kind of sets into place. Because if you go off to either side, it's just going next to the locking a little bit. Okay, good job, Ben. Thanks for watching, my friends. Good job. There's a 10-year-old installed it so easy.